First corn on the cob.
Cheese.
Just a second, I'll get you with your corn.
Cheese. Cheese burning.
I will when you have your corn. Ready? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Good job.
I don't have corn yet.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah, good job.
I show you.
Good job, Gabe.
Thank you.
What?
You have plenty. Eat yours.
Something in my teeth. There's something in my teeth.
There's something in your teeth? It's corn.
I can't get it out. I got it.
Show me how you eat your corn.
I'm not showing you.
Good job. Do you love corn on the cob?
Yeah.
Good?
I go Chuck E. Cheese after that.
No. Did we just go to the pool?
I go Chuck E. Cheese later.
Did the pool make you hungry?
Yeah, the pool did. The pool made me hungry, Daddy.
It did.